Okay, guys. Hello, everyone. Let's wait a bit. And we can start this second day of building businesses with AI. So, to get more context about that, I'm building an outbound business using Kortix, which is this autonomous company operating system. We love calling it in this way, or like if you call it the AI computer. Okay, it's an open source project. I think most of you already know about that. We have almost 20K stars on GitHub, so it's really interesting what you can achieve today. So let's start this second day. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna build today, or like what Kortix is gonna build. Okay, let me adjust the perfect. Okay, so this is what we did yesterday. We mapped the entire architecture of how the autonomous outbound machine is going to work, and we also wrote down the 8 agents we are going to use, we're going to build for our outbound machine. So the lead sourcer, the enrichment agent, the copywriting agent, Telegram approval bot. We are going to use Telegram to approve or reject the emails and messages for the reach out, the sender agent, the reply monitor, reply handler. So of course for the replies, and yeah, the follow-ups basically. So this is the agent for the follow-ups. Okay, so this is Kortix, the new Kortix. This is what I'm gonna use. We have created a project yesterday. Okay, so we have everything here. So all the agents, all the tasks we are gonna create for this specific project, call it also a company. Okay, we are gonna have everything here. So everything is mapped here. This is the architecture of what we are gonna do. We also set up the ideal customer profile. So this is an outbound machine I'm going to use personally for Kortix first. And then my goal at the end of these 30 days is allow everyone to use the same machine, okay, the same outbound machine. So let's start. Day 2, we need to build the lead sourcer agent. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. It's day 2 for the outbound 30-day challenge. Okay, we can remove this. Let me clean a bit here. Yeah, that's the structure. Day 2, this is the lead sourcer. Okay, so today we are going to build the first AI employee of our company. Okay, yeah, we are here. It's just a reminder. Okay, yes. So the lead sourcer agent and the Google Sheets CRM. So we are gonna add also Google Sheets. I don't think I have Google Sheets connected. I don't remember, to be honest. So let's check. Yeah, not yet. Um, mm, okay. Okay, so the goal in this case is focusing the attention on heavy process companies. So I would say logistic, even HR is interesting for now. Okay, let's start with the two. Also, we are not going to use Apollo for the leads, since we will start with like 20, 30 emails daily. It's not necessary using Apollo for the leads. Uh, like we can connect Apollo to Kortix and get like thousands of leads daily, but this is not the primary goal for now. I think that for the scaling, so yeah, for scaling the outbound system, we will need, of course, thousands of leads daily. So we will then, I think, need to connect to some big database. So right now it's gonna work. Basically, Cortex is gonna scrape the web and try to get leads, verified emails with some sources, and break down the small CRM. Um, okay, so is creating the lead sourcer agent script. Also, we can directly, connect Google Sheets from here. So we can connect it and have the access to my Google Drive. I would also connect to Google Drive, to be honest. But okay, let's wait. Okay, today is pretty. I would say it's pretty easy. We are gonna build the first agent. So basically, we should be able to see it in the project details, like here. Okay, so once the agent has been created for this project, we will see it here. Also, we have all the sessions we are running here, so it's also pretty useful to have everything in order, also for our management. So we don't need this for now. Okay, so basically it is already building the agent. So I'm quite sure we are gonna see it in the workspace details. Um, okay, also this is the channels section. So basically here we are gonna add our Telegram agent, because we are also going to build one agent that's going to use the Telegram channel, and I think we are going to build it here. So on day 6. Okay. So according to the roadmap, on day 12, we should be live with the system, at least with the first draft of system. So I'm quite confident we are going to build everything in 15 days. Of course, I'm dedicating like 1-2 hours daily. Imagine like if you can do this for 10 hours daily, so it's going to be huge, and the positive effect is amazing. Okay, so right now Kortix is also setting up the cron trigger, so for a daily run at 8. So basically this agent at 8, I don't know the time zone, we need to check. It's gonna run daily source, so getting the leads on a daily basis automatically. Okay, is now testing the logic. Also, this document you see here is public, and I'm gonna put this doc under the video we are making right now. You can check the entire roadmap here. So let me. Okay, so day 2, I wanna. All right. Okay, this is what I wanted to. Okay, so let me check. Okay, let's connect Google Sheets from the connectors. Okay, so let's connect Google Sheets right now. So we use Pipedream. Okay, so okay, done. Okay, so we connected Google Sheets. So if you go back, you should be able to access to my Google Sheets right now. Okay, this is not yet up to date. Okay, so this is what the lead sourcer agent does. Okay, so this is what we have created right now. So 5 up to 10 sources. So we set up the leads for the HR tech and the logistic tech. So we are gonna get the company, the funding stage, okay, the signals and so on. We can create CRM leads. Okay. So basically we are building this, okay? This one. The only thing here is that, as said before, we are not connecting to Apollo, but we are just using Kortix. Okay, of course the difference that you can connect to Apollo through APIs, so you can get verified leads. With Kortix instead, it's gonna scrape and it's gonna verify different emails together, try to get if it's correct or not. So it's a bit different, of course. But for now, we don't need thousands of leads daily. That's not our goal. Okay, it's still working. Let's let him cook. Okay, let's check the triggers. Also, my laptop is pretty slow today. I don't know why. Okay, so we connected Google Sheets. Yeah, so basically the Google Sheets CRM it could also be done now. Basically, we connected the CRM. Okay, so now you should be able to create the CRM sheet on Google Sheets. So we can check. Yeah, that's my laptop. I said before, I don't know why it's too slow today. Let me. Okay. So the next step is I'm gonna check why I cannot see here the agent yet. I don't know. So we created the first agent. Okay, so the lead sourcer agent. It was pretty simple as we saw. Okay, so this was the plan. So he created the Google Sheets CRM schema that now is building on my Google Drive. And then we created the lead sourcer agent. So I'm gonna say right now, show the lead sourcer agent in my project. So I can check it here, and we can proceed. Okay, so it's running the shot. Okay, so yeah, with Kortix, you can just connect whatever you want here, and then go on Kortix on the chat, and you can say, hey, I have connected my Slack or my Google Sheets. Okay, let's create this, and this. You have whatever you want here. While the channels are used to talk with Kortix. So every kind of agent, or or the general Kortix, you can just connect it to your Slack or your Telegram, and you can chat with it. Okay, let me check. The shit should be live. Yes, I can see it. So let me show you the okay, so we are gonna, of course, he created two sheets. So one for the leads, we are gonna get. I think we can even start from tomorrow. And one is the dashboard. Of course, we can adjust, and edit the style of the dashboard. It's gonna, as you can see, it's gonna track and monitor everything. And so, okay, so this is good. I can save it. Okay, it's now updating the agent. This is amazing. Okay, so this is something that was, like, I would say, impossible to imagine 1 year ago. So we are building an entire company using AI only, and 8 agents, so 8 employees. They're gonna work 24/7. So this is amazing. Yeah, so he's editing the lead sourcer agent, as we can see from here. Okay, so it's running. Also, I just noticed that we did not mention the country for the leads, or maybe we have it. So this is the entire project. with all the folders. So we have, the agents, the assets, the campaigns, the copy, the CRM. Yeah, so we also have the Google Sheet schema here. Okay, so we should have the leads, because we don't have it yet. I don't remember where is the. No. Okay, let's see here. Geography. Yeah, okay. So we put US, UK, Canada, Australia. I mean, Australia. We can also remove Australia, but it's fine. It's fine to start with, just to test, and then see. Okay, yeah, we have the entire target here. Okay, that's also interesting, because indeed, as we can see, okay, so now it's completed, because it was totally black. Okay, so it basically ran a test. Yes, yeah, this is a test. So this is actually working. Okay, this is the status. The agents are gonna manage. Okay, so let's see now. Okay, let's see now what is gonna do. Basically, it's running a real source. So right now we should be able to see. Yeah, exactly. So the agent is working. That's amazing. We can see it here. Okay, we need to edit a bit the style, of course, of the CRM and the entire sheet. We just did it in one shot. Yeah, okay, it's working. Also, I don't know why he basically, as we can see here, he completely blocked the rows, but okay, it's fine. Okay, I think this is the. Yeah, we need to. Yes, edit this. Okay. So he's collecting leads right now. Okay, at least we have the lead sourcer agent. I would say not 100% ready. I don't know if it's. I think it's still working. Yes. Okay. Okay. The point is that the agent did not find yet, like we need the lead the the sources, so like at least one person per company. So let's make this first. Okay, so what we are doing right now, we are adding the agent here to our company, and I also want to see the trigger here, because this agent, and then we can also improve the agent and say, hey, look, you also need to find, at least C-levels people here with the email, the LinkedIn URL, the company size we need, yet the company URL, the location of the company. Okay, but I mean, this is actually good. We built this in 10 minutes, maybe. We are live, yeah. I mean, 15 minutes. Okay, so it's working. It's updating the work we've done. This is what I was saying before. Imagine if you work 6-8 hours daily on this, you are able to build an entire company in a few days. Yeah, this is an error, by the way, because as you can see, the formula here start from 11, because I said before, he freezed the rows, the first 10 rows. I don't know why. So we are also gonna fix that. Of course, like one key role of the human in this AI era is to verify the output, to verify the work of the agent. So this is my work right now. I need to verify the CRM status, if we have any errors like this in this case, and work to improve the entire workflow. Okay, so the tasks, basically, when the agent needs to work on something, on a specific task, we are going to see it here. Right now we don't have yet tasks, also because as you can imagine, the entire machine is not live. We just ran a test here, so that's why it's important to run tests so we can also update it. Okay, let's try. Okay, I'm gonna check this later. Okay, I see. He added the the agent here. Okay. Okay, once this is done, we are gonna edit the CRM style. We are gonna fix this error. I mean, I can fix it manually in a very simple way, but I just wanna let the agent work and in a very good way. So we are gonna improve the agent capability of understanding the context here and what's missing. And okay, of course, this like, yeah, this is I would say a front end issue here, because the agent basically, this is the like the titles, so it should be only this black and freezed. So that's the error. So that's always my fault. I need to have to restart the laptop later. So like, we could also create the agent through the command here, through the workspace new agent action. Maybe it was easier. I mean, the agent has been created because, of course, we also saw it here while it was working on this sheet. So we need to make sure we have it on the list. Okay, so if we look here, we have done this. Also, this is partially done because we are missing, as we saw, the style and some key information here for the leads. Okay, so he's still working on the agent. Okay. So now is creating the final agent in the workspace so we can access it. Okay, let's do this. Let's improve the CRM and entire structure tomorrow. So it's also interesting, to like, okay, so this is not done yet. This, okay, partially done. Improve the CRM style, missing info of the leads, because as we saw, we are still missing some information. Of course, this was a test. I mean, pretty good test. Like he did this in 2 minutes, maybe. So, and we need to fix this error. Okay, so it freezed the first 10 rows. I don't know why. So we're gonna fix that. Okay, so we can do this tomorrow, and on day 4 we are going to create the next agent. Okay, I'm having I have a doubt here, so maybe I'm sure the enrichment agent is gonna fill the missing information here. Let's see the structure again, because I think this is the yes, okay. So that's why. So the lead sourcer is, let's say, a pre-defined lead, resource. So it just looks for the high level information of the leads and companies, and then we have the enrichment agent, which is the next step, and he looks for the LinkedIn profile, the company website. So basically all the information we are missing here, the location. Okay. Okay, I see now. But I don't see the email, first name, the email source. I don't see it here yet. So let's add it here. Okay. So basically, this is also the next status. New. Okay, so resourced, when we have all the missing information here. Copy approved is for the reach out, and then of course the email has been sent or replied, meeting booked. Okay, not instead. Okay, perfect. So yeah, we're gonna fix that with the second agent, the enrichment agent. Then we're gonna write the emails and the messages with the copywriting agent. Then the Telegram approval bot is for the, okay, so I wrote this and this, approve or reject. Then we have the sender agent for the daily emails, the reply monitor, so it scans the Gmail inbox. Okay. Then the handler and the sequence, so basically for the follow-up. Okay. Um, okay, so it's still working on the agent. Okay, so also tomorrow we should get new leads here in the CRM. So we are gonna check also this tomorrow. I'm quite confident it's gonna run it, but also we need the second agent. Otherwise, all this missing information are still missing. Also, I'm not quite sure if I should just create one single agent for the entire uh, lead information resource. I mean, why should I split the two steps into two agents? I don't know. I'm gonna think about that. I'm gonna test with the two agents first. I think it's or like it's quite interesting because, of course, the enrichment agent can get more, I would say, verified information because he only has one single job. So it makes sense. Oh, okay. Let me reload it. I interrupted the session. Okay, here we go. We have the lead sorcerer agent. Um, okay, let's trigger the instance. Uh, so we are sure it's reloaded everything. So we have it here. Okay, so I mean it's done. This is what was supposed to do today. So day one. So let's update this. Day two. So we built and then okay, perfect. I don't know if Kortix already ran that in some ways. Let me. Okay, let's do this. Let's make a recap of what we did today. Okay. My bad. It's done. It's done because, of course, the restart of everything basically is gonna interrupt everything. So it's my bad. So we reloaded everything: the skills, the agent plugins, and so on. Um, yes. Okay, guys. So day two done. We built the second agent. I mean, sorry, the first agent, the lead sourcer agent, and we built the first draft of our CRM on Google Sheets, entirely managed by our lead sourcer agent. Tomorrow we are going to improve the CRM because we have noticed a few bugs on the CRM, few errors. So tomorrow is only dedicated to the CRM, and then the day after tomorrow we are going to be the second agent, the enrichment agent, which is basically the agent is going to feed the entire leads information with first name, last name, and title of the main lead, the company size, email, LinkedIn, company URL, location, and so on. So all the missing data we have right now. So thank you, guys. Thank you for following this second episode, day two, and see you tomorrow.